In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Zoho Desk. This process is crucial for ensuring that all your valuable data remains secure and easily retrievable should anything unexpected occur. So, let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to start on your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage all your customer service data and interactions. Now, once you're on this dashboard, take a look at the top bar of your screen where you'll see the setup icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that to access the setup options. Once you're in the setup area, you'll want to navigate to the section titled Data Administration. It's here that you'll find an option labeled Data Backup. Click on Data Backup, and you will be presented with two primary options to consider for your backup needs. The first option available is Backup Now. This is a great choice if you're looking to create a backup immediately. Within the Backup Now option, you have two further choices: Full Backup and Custom Backup. A full backup will encompass all your data, meaning every module, including tickets, knowledge base articles, contacts, accounts, and more, will be included in the download file. This is the way to go if you want a comprehensive backup of everything in Zoho Desk. On the other hand, if you're only interested in backing up specific data, the Custom Backup feature allows you to select particular modules or datasets that are most important to you at the moment. The second option available is Schedule Backup. This feature is perfect for those who prefer having regular, automated backups without having to manually initiate the process each time. Within this option, you'll be prompted to set the repeat type. This allows you to specify how frequently you'd like your backups to occur, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, you might be wondering exactly what gets backed up during this process. When you initiate a backup, Zoho Desk saves all of your module data to a downloadable file. This means that everything from tickets to your knowledge base, as well as contacts, accounts, and much more, is securely backed up. Having this extensive range of information safely stored ensures you're prepared for any unforeseen data loss scenarios. And there you have it. Backing up your Zoho Desk not only safeguards your data, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your customer service operations can continue smoothly without interruption. By following these steps, you're making a proactive investment in the security and reliability of your business's information. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any further assistance.